Understanding, wait for it, in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a popular English phrase, wait for it. This phrase is commonly used in both everyday conversation and in the media. Understanding its usage can help you sound more natural in English. So, let's dive in. Wait for it has its roots in dramatic and comedic timing. It's used to build anticipation or suspense. When someone says, wait for it, they're essentially telling you to be patient because something interesting, surprising, or exciting is about to happen. 2.1 in conversations. In everyday conversations, wait for it is often used humorously. For example, Person A, I heard a great joke today. Person B, okay, I'm ready. Person A, wait for it, then delivers the punchline. 2.2 in media and entertainment. In movies, TV shows, or online videos, wait for it is frequently used to tease the audience, making them eager to see what comes next. 3.1 variations. You might also hear variations like, wait for the punchline, or just wait and see. 3.2 similar expressions. Expressions like, hold on a second, or stay tuned, carry a similar sense of anticipation. 4.1 timing is key. The effectiveness of wait for it largely depends on timing and context. Use it when you're sure that the following part is worth the wait. 4.2 Avoid overuse. While it's a fun phrase to use, overusing it can lessen its impact. Use it sparingly for maximum effect. That's all for our exploration of wait for it. I hope this video has been informative and adds a new phrase to your English vocabulary arsenal. Remember, language is not just about words but also about how and when you use them. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.